Hey everyone, welcome to Mad Acts 2020. I really am praying today and deciding for God to use this channel to change your life for the good and to believe again that God is able to do exceedingly abundantly above all that you could ask or think. Once again, thank you so much for your continued support, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click subscribe for more weekly updates on Mad Acts 2020. God bless everyone, God cares.
Praise the Lord. Good morning po once again mga Kamad Acts. Praise the Lord. It's a beautiful day na God has given us today, and God waking us up sa umaga po na ito. And today is Friday. Once again, let's be excited to hear the word of the Lord, because the word of the Lord will give us strength. It will renew our strength. It will restore our joy. Let's go! So ngayon po mga Kamadax, ay ako po yung magsusundo ng mga kapatiran. Susunduin po natin sila from Umsalal, going sa mga kapatid na nandito sa city, and then yan, dadalhin natin sila sa gawain ng Panginoon. It's a fellowship together with our brother and sister. So maganda pong fellowship ito, magandang sa wala ng stress. Ayan. So, and whatever situation you may be in right now, be encouraged po that God has you in the palm of His hand. And don't lose hope. Keep your hopes up. Keep believing. Keep trusting the Lord. Good or bad, only God knows. And find nearest church near you po. If you are able to yung makapag simba. So ayan, kaya let's go. Praise the Lord.
A few moments later.
There was a transformation already in the lives of Peter and in the lives of James and John. Now, if you will read the Bible, there is a book of Peter, there is also a book by John, there is also a book of James. But James sadly have died too early.
A few moments later.
Yan mga Kamadax, nahatid na natin ngayon ng ating mga kapatid. Pauwi na ngayon si Madax 2020. Praise the Lord, and everybody is on fire and equipped. Ayan, ready to go again for the 1 week na alam yung everyday ka magtatrabaho, you will encounter everything, unexpected situation, but when you come to Christ, when you go to church, you will be refreshed, at yun ang magiging sandata mo for another day. Ayan, praise the Lord, nakakatuwa. And I hope you guys if you come to this far of my message, of my video, maraming salamat po. I appreciate you, and I hope I pray na you can have some time to go to church also, and may you be blessed, and whatever situation you may be in, be encouraged po. God has you in the palm of His hand. God bless everyone po. God cares. Bye.